Ever wondered how to rejuvenate your aging laptop? The solution may lie within the realm of artificial intelligence. By employing an AI-driven optimizer like AI Mechanic Optimizer, your machine can efficiently identify performance issues, suggest viable fixes, and act as a consistent digital mechanic. Now envision an AI antivirus, your laptop's personal AI Shield antivirus, only addressing but also predicting and neutralizing system threats before they occur. Lastly, consider AI disk cleaners like AI-made Disk Cleaner. This intelligent tech learns your usage habits and efficiently removes redundant files, leaving your laptop in optimal shape, almost like a digital maid. By leveraging AI tools such as AI Mechanic Optimizer, AI Shield Antivirus, and AI-made Disk Cleaner, old tech can regain its vitality and operate at its peak performance. It's not just magic, it's the power of artificial intelligence transforming your laptop, bringing a new lease on life to your old companion. A faster, smoother laptop experience is just a few smart choices away. This has been your 60-second tech quick fix. Stay tuned.